up, y'all? Thanks for stopping by. If you're new, my name is Tia, and here we share simple home decor and lifestyle tips to make life and relationships beautiful and blessed. If you're a homebody babe, you already know it's cool being outside, but there's no place like home, because home is where the heart is. Creating a home that is a beautiful oasis is a part of creating a successful life. It can be as simple as you like it. It's where we can rejuvenate ourselves to be our best selves. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the content. I am so grateful and very thankful, and I love you guys so much for all of the likes, the comments, and the views. Thank you guys so much. And if you have not subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you catch all this wonderful content I'm coming with for the holiday season and beyond. And please, if you see something you like, definitely hit the like button. It really truly helps out my channel to grow and to reach more people who want to see this type of content. So this week we're talking about doing a hot cocoa bar for Christmas 2023. You guys already saw this bar cart set up in my video 2 weeks ago, but I decided to go ahead and put together this bar cart so that when I have guests, impromptu guests, you know, like we do in the holiday season, or just for me and babe, we can make a delicious cup of cocoa and some nice little treats to go with it. But before I get into that, I want to say I do apologize very much because I was unable to get a video out last week because my sweet dear auntie Lou Alice, also known as Rosa, sadly passed away at the age of 74, and we had her funeral the week before Thanksgiving. So I went to South Carolina, where most of my immediate family lives. So I was there for a couple of days. I came back the Sunday before Thanksgiving. And you guys know I work full time. So I came back to Atlanta on Sunday and then left again on Tuesday to go to Myrtle Beach, where my family on my mom's side spent Thanksgiving. 25 of us rented 2 beach houses there. We had an amazing time. It was great. And Auntie Rosa was definitely there with us in spirit. So this video is dedicated to my sweet Aunt Rosa, who I love very much. And so I just wanted to say that in honor of her. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Let's go decorate with me this hot cocoa bar for Christmas 2023. I decided to start on the bottom of the bar cart because the top is going to be so much more spectacular. But anyway, the bottom is still really nice. And these 2 plates I found at Ross for $5.99. So you know they had to come home with me for $5.99 each. That's a steal. I'm going to use these for years in many different ways, but they are absolutely gorgeous and provided the perfect symmetry that I needed for the bottom of the bar cart. Ferrero Rocher are the perfect sweet treat and elegant gift for guests, so I love that Ross has them on sale for $5.49 a box. I picked up these hot cocoa stirrers at Marshall's. A 4-pack was $6.99, and since this is a fuss-free, mess-free 2023 hot cocoa bar, these are perfect because all we have to do is warm up some milk. Please try these half moon cookies from Trader Joe's. I'm not a sweet tooth girl, but I like these cookies and I think they are perfect for cocoa. When I tell you this eggnog wine is amazing, believe it, okay? This is from Trader Joe's. Run, don't walk. That's all I gotta say. This candy dish came from Marshall's, $7.99, I believe. I love the Christmas tree emblem, and it was the perfect size for these Purine cream wafer cookies. My friend Nikki gave me this tea kettle about 5 or 6 years ago, and again, since we're only having to warm up milk, it was just the perfect final touch for the bottom of this hot cocoa bar. You guys already know I am in love with gold items, especially with the beaded rim, and this cake stand was only $12.99, so I was super excited about that. This cookie jar was at Marshall's for only $9.99, and I filled it with some cookies that I got from Home Goods. The macaroons and the marshmallow cookies came from Marshall's, and I got some of those amazing brown butter chocolate chip cookies from Whole Foods. You got to try those, guys. Now, this dish I've had for a very long time. I think I picked it up at Marshall's or Home Goods some years back. I believe it was $12.99. And I love these coffee mugs that I picked up at Marshall's last Sunday for $9.99. I just love the detail and the shape of these. And I love how they just look so neat and perfect corralled here on this tray. At Marshall's, I also found these white chocolate peppermint stirs. I believe I got a 10-pack or 8-pack for $6 or $7.99. And now in goes the hot cocoa bombs. Again, it's all about the level up for 2023. The hot cocoa bar, at least not at our place. We're not going to have any cocoa powder, so this is a fuss-free, mess-free hot cocoa bar. Level up, guys. But these are some peppermint covered almonds from Trader Joe's. Yum. Totally got them for the aesthetic, but I'm surprised they actually taste pretty delicious. I've had this riser cake stand for a while, but I did find this gorgeous black and gold tiny ice bucket from Marshall's. And here's where I'm just gonna house a scoop for the goodies and some baggies so our guests can take a treat home. Let me remind you, this gorgeous velvet black and gold reindeer came from Target, and I just thought it was just perfect back here just for that additional Christmas vibe. Last though, certainly not least, this beautiful gorgeous snow globe to add to my Christmas snow globe collection for $12.99 at Marshall's is simply stunning.